Children, we are going to discuss the case of playing cards today, right? So first of all, I would like to show you the cards. After showing you the cards, I will be discussing about the names of the cards on there and the shapes, their colors, everything will be shared with you, right? So let us just see. As some of you are already having cards in your hands, I'm showing for those who are not having. See, children, if you can see the cards, how many different colors are available?
Ma'am, 4. Ma'am, 2 colors.
Ma'am,
Colors.
two.
Two color.
Two colors. Two. Yes. Mayank, am I visible to you? Is the board visible to you while recording?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And cards are also there for recording?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Children, there are 52 cards in all if you count them. Starting from A, then 2, 3, 10. Then you have J, Q, and K. If you look at the screen carefully, right? Let me zoom it so that you can see. The first card is A, which is known as Ace. Then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. These are known as numbered cards. These are known as numbered cards because numbers are written on them. All right. Then if you look carefully, you have after 9, 10, J, Q, K. J is known as Jack. Q is known as Queen. And K is known as King.
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 Hindi में if you have heard, Ace is known as Ikka. Jack, Queen, King को बोलते हैं गुलाम, रानी, बादशाह. Have you heard, children?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now, if you look carefully again, as we said, there are 52 cards because Ace is 1, 1 to 10, J is 11, Q is 12, K is 13. So 13 cards of one shape multiplied by how many? How many
4.
different rows?
4.
13 into 4. 13 into 4 makes it 13 into
52.
4 makes it 52. So there are 52 total cards. If you can see better, two lines are of black and 2 lines are of red. 2 lines of black and 2 lines of red. So this one is known as, so we said 26 black cards are there, and I'm using red pen only for 26 red cards. Okay. Then these 26 are further divided into 2 parts.
13 and 13.
13 and 13. 13 and 13. Ji beta.
Yes.
But let
Yes,
us look
ma'am.
carefully. Let us look carefully the shapes. If you look at the topmost line, the shape of the card is something like this. I'm not a very good at drawing, but yes.
Ma'am, it is like a leaf of a people tree.
Yes. And if you look at the last, it is something like this.
Yes, ma'am.
You need to know the names. You need to know the names. This is known as spade. The shape is spade. This shape is known as club. Okay? Hindi में you know what it is called? Then you can relate. Club को आप बोलते हैं चिड़ी और spade is known as pan. So you should be knowing that also because if you ask people at your home, they may be able to tell you this name only, pan and chidi. This is pan because it looks like a pan leaf, and chidi. But we need to remember in English, beta, because exam mein we will be dealing with English one. So spade and this is club. Okay. Now if you look at the red cards, What is the shape? First, second line, what is the shape?
Hearts and diamonds.
Ma'am, hearts and
Hearts
diamonds.
and diamonds.
The name
Hearts
of
and
the card
diamonds.
is heart itself. इसको heart ही बोलते हैं. And this one is known as diamond.
Diamond.
This one is known as diamond. Okay. This is diamond. This is heart. Are you clear till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
you should be knowing that there are total 52 cards, out of which 26 are red, 26 are black. Then black is further divided into 13, 13, spade and club. Red is divided into 13, 13, which are heart and diamond.
Ma'am, heart and diamond.
And I've given you the description of those 13 cards. This is ace, 2, 3, 4, 5 till 10 numbered cards. There are numbers written if you see carefully. On the first card, 1 is not written, beta. What is written is A.
Ace.
2,
Yes.
3 till 10. Okay. And last May, we are not written 11, 12, 13, but it is written J, Q, K. Jack, Queen, and King. Children, if you look carefully, can you tell me on which cards there is some picture being drawn? There is some face being drawn. On which
JQK.
cards?
Ma'am, JQK.
JQJ.
JQK. So we call them face cards. We call them face cards as
Face
some
cards.
face is being made there. As some face is being made there. So we call them face cards. And it is very much obvious from the cards. By looking at the cards, you can see there is no face drawn on these 10 cards. So these are not known as face cards. These 3 are face cards. How many total face cards are there?
12.
12.
Yes. 3 of each kind. 3 of each kind. 3 of spade, 3 of club, 3 of heart, 3 of diamond. So in all 3 into 4, that makes it 12. Clear, beta? Are you clear? Now,
Yes, ma'am.
if you look at A, the first card, is there any face drawn on it?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Is there any number written on it?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Just like our number 1, which is unique, neither prime nor composite, this A is also unique. It is neither a face card nor a numbered card. We simply call it ace. We simply call it ace. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you with me?
Yes, ma'am.